calling all thrill seekers, foodies, and adventure seekers. Forget the guidebooks, we're ditching the endless theme park lines and diving into the real Orlando, a city where magic spills beyond the gates and hidden gems sparkle brighter than any souvenir shop bauble. Pack your sense of wonder, your appetite for fun, and get ready to say Orlando, you're a blast. Louder than a screaming roller coaster rider. Orlando's secret sidekicks. Skip the crowds and discover the hidden oasis of Lou Gardens, where vibrant blooms whisper secrets to butterflies and ancient oaks stand sentinel over winding paths. Then, grab your paddleboard and kayak through the serene Blue Spring State Park, where crystal-clear water dances with playful manatees and the only lines you'll find are the ones on your sunscreen. From Michelin stars to donut delights. Forget theme park hot dogs, Orlando's a gourmet playground. Treat yourself to Michelin-starred delights at the Boathouse, where waterfront views and seafood so fresh it practically leaps onto your plate will leave you speechless. Then, grab a napkin, trust us, and tackle the legendary glazed donut at Voodoo Donut, where flavors like bacon maple and peanut butter banana will rock your taste buds. Be warned, sugar rush guaranteed. Culture vultures and history hunters rejoice. Get your art fix at the Orlando Museum of Art, where ancient Egyptian artifacts whisper tales of pharaohs and modern masterpieces ignite your imagination. Then, delve into the city's vibrant past at the Rollins College campus, where Spanish moss-draped trees and historic buildings whisper stories of pirates and pioneers. You'll walk away with more Orlando trivia than you ever thought possible. Beyond the theme park glow. When the sun sets, Orlando transforms into a playground for night owls. Skip the overpriced theme park shows and hunt for hidden speakeasy bars tucked away in alleys, where vintage cocktails and live jazz music will transport you back to the roaring 20s. Bonus points for finding a rooftop bar with city views so good they'll make you forget all about the fireworks. Family fun in Orlando? You betcha. Orlando isn't just for adults. Icon Park is your family's backyard, with a Ferris wheel that kisses the clouds, a splash pad that'll keep everyone cool, and enough arcade games to keep the kids entertained for hours. And for something truly unique, grab a picnic basket and head to Lake Eola Park, where swans paddle by and the setting sun paints the sky in fiery hues. It's an adventure the whole family will talk about for years. So ditch the expectations, pack your sunscreen, and maybe a raincoat for those sneaky Florida showers, and embrace the Orlando sunshine. This city's more than just theme parks and souvenirs, it's a vibrant tapestry of hidden gems, unexpected delights, and enough magic to sprinkle on your life. Come discover your own Orlando story, it's waiting to unfold under the Florida sky. Remember to subscribe for more sunshine-soaked adventures and Orlando insider tips.